आपको कुछ अच्छा अचीव करने से सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपका माइंड आपको रोकता है, आपका दिमाग आपको रोकता है। पोटेंशियल सब में है, बस आपको बिलीव करना पड़ेगा खुद पे टू अचीव द इम्पॉसिबल, बिकॉज नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल। This is a very special video. It will not be like some day in a life video. Do comment down below if you want to see an average day in a life of an SDE2 in work from home conditions. What all the things we do, we work in the entire day or the entire week. I will happily make that. But in today's video, I will discuss 7 invaluable advices that if I had a time machine right now, I will go back in time and tell me all these advices. These are very, very crucial if you want to succeed in software engineering field. And I have seen so many software engineers and so many students doing same mistakes at the start of their career. So if you are someone who does not want to repeat these mistakes or want to learn from others' mistakes and grow as a better software engineer, then continue watching this video. So tip number 1, do not just focus on one single programming language. That is the cardinal sin. कभी भी आप किसी एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज पे कंप्लीट फोकस ना करें. Programming language should always be treated as tools to do things. And these tools can change based upon the requirement of the system that we are solving. अगर हम किसी एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज पे फिक्सेट कर जाते हैं, we pigeonhole ourselves to that programming language, which means if for some reason the requirements change, the systems change, and the programming language change, you are no longer needed by the company. As a software engineer, you should take pride in yourself to be flexible and to be skillful enough to pick up any programming language that is required for the system and apply it on the fly. Contextual learning is extremely important to succeed as a software engineer in today's field. Gone are the days when you could just focus on a single programming language and get by. This is extremely risky and you should not do it. As simple as that. Not only this, companies हमेशा उन बंदों को प्रेफर करेगी जो flexible हो with the programming languages, जो skillful हो और coachable हो, rather than those who are rigid in the programming language they want to work in. You can have a programming language that you are expert of. I'm not saying that you should not have a programming language in which you aren't expert of. You should. But having said that, you should be flexible enough to learn any programming language whatsoever, pick that up and work accordingly based upon the requirements of the product that you are building. Tip number 2, and I think so ये मेरे को बोलना ही पड़ेगा from an Indian perspective, और क्योंकि बहुत ही ज़्यादा misconception है इसको लेके, is that there isn't just 3 or 4 companies in the Indian market today which actually pay you good money as well as offer you great work on some exceptionally scalable products and have decent work-life balance. There are literally hundreds of such companies out there in the market who are actively looking for good software engineers. So do not just restrict yourself to those 3 or 4 big tech companies, but expand your horizon. There are hundreds such out there. Comment down below if you want me to make a dedicated video telling you about all the good companies that are out there, their work-life balance, the type of work or domain in which they deal, as well as the pay. I will gladly make such a video if you do want it. ये बोलना बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है क्योंकि आजकल there is an obsession with the term FANG. FANG is good. But having said that, there are some equally great companies out there having problems similar to the scale of FANG, if not more, and with exceptionally good pay and work-life balance. So don't just focus on these 4 companies and expand your horizon. Tip number 3, do not be afraid to challenge the status quo. Whenever you will be working in your firm, you will encounter such a situation where you might think that something is not right in the team or something is not right in the team's process. I would say, do not be afraid to speak out. कभी भी मत डरो. अगर तुमको लगता है कि कुछ गलत हो रहा है, then it is for the team's benefit only if you speak up and tell everyone what exactly is the thing that is going wrong, so that everybody कैन बेनिफिट. ऐसा मत सोचो कि अगर तुमने किसी को चैलेंज किया टीम में तो सब तुमको गलत समझेंगे, क्योंकि ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. इनफैक्ट अगर तुमने चैलेंज किया लोगों को विथ प्रॉपर फैक्ट्स प्रॉपरली, तो people appreciate it way too much than you realize, because what it says is that you are actually passionate enough to think about the betterment of the team. So do not be afraid to challenge the status quo. Advice number 4, और ये सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट एडवाइस है दोस्तों, तो ये जरूर सुनो और फॉलो करो. that never ever stop learning. The moment you stop learning is the moment you start going down. You cannot afford to stop learning. Learning is something that you will have with you for your entire life. You cannot stop growing and you cannot stop learning. The moment आपने ये डिसाइड कर लिया कि आप ऐसे पोजीशन में आ गए हो कि आपको और कुछ सीखना नहीं है, ठीक उसी समय जिंदगी आपको नीचे ले आएगी. कभी भी ये मत समझना कि आपने पढ़ लिया है, आपको और कुछ नहीं पढ़ना, आपको सब आता है. ये मैंने बहुत बार कॉलेज ग्रेजुएट्स में देखा है कि उनको ऐसा कभी कभी लगता है और दे हैव दिस फीलिंग कि दे नो एवरीथिंग. बट माय डियर फ्रेंड, देयर इज नो लिमिट टू हाउ मच अ पर्सन कैन लर्न, हाउ मच अ पर्सन कैन ग्रो. सो कभी भी मत समझना कि आपको सब कुछ आता है. हमेशा बी हम्बल, बी डाउन टू अर्थ, एंड द मोमेंट यू स्टॉप लर्निंग इज द मोमेंट यू स्टॉप ग्रोइंग. इफ यू डू नॉट कीप ऑन लर्निंग, यू विल कंटिन्यूसली गो बैकवर्ड्स. आप पीछे चलते जाओगे और सारी दुनिया आपसे आगे निकल जाएगी. एडवाइस नंबर 5, और ये भी एक और बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट एडवाइस है कि नेवर स्टॉप आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस और नेवर फील शाई और अफ्रेड टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस. हमेशा इन एवरी गुड टेक कंपनी इट इज ऑलवेज एंकरेज्ड दैट यू गाइस आस्क एज मच क्वेश्चन एज पॉसिबल. क्योंकि जब आप कुछ पूछोगे तभी आपको समझ में आएगा, ऑब्वियसली बात है, और तभी जब आप क्वेश्चन करोगे तभी कुछ गलतियां अगर हो रही होगी उसके बारे में भी पता लगेगा. अगर आपको कोई छोटी सी भी चीज़ अगर समझ में नहीं आ रही है, आई वुड से मेक दैट अ पॉइंट टू आस्क दैट क्वेश्चन. Every question is welcomed. Asking question will not only improve your own knowledge but also everybody's knowledge. उन सबके लिए भी ये beneficial होगा. Having said that, ऐसा भी नहीं है कि आप random कुछ भी question पूछ रहे हो. So try and ask pertinent questions and try and do your own research first and then ask questions with all the data that you have researched. That is obviously encouraged. Advice number 6, and it's a very important advice. If you are the smartest person in the room, then you are in the wrong room. पीरियड. अगर आप सबसे तेज़ बंदे बन गए किसी एक जगह में तो आप गलत जगह में हैं. आपको तुरंत जगह चेंज करनी चाहिए. हमेशा ये प्लान करना चाहिए कि वेन एवर यू आर एट सम प्लेस यू आर ऑलवेज सराउंडेड बाई स्मार्ट पीपल विथ हुम यू कैन इंटरैक्ट डेली एंड लर्न डेली. अगर आप सबसे स्मार्ट बन गए फिर आपकी लर्निंग उधर ही ख़त्म हो जाएगी, आपका ग्रोथ उधर ही ख़त्म हो जाएगा. सब आप तक पहुँचेंगे बट आप उसके ऊपर नहीं बढ़ पाओगे क्योंकि आपको चैलेंज करने वाला कोई नहीं रहेगा. सो इफ़ यू बिकम द स्मार्टेस्ट पर्सन ऑफ अ रूम, then it's time to change the room. Advice number 7, ये खासकर सारे सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर, सारे कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है कि बर्नआउट इज़ अ रियल कंडीशन. जितना आप काम करेंगे उतना ही आपको ये ख्याल रखना पड़ेगा कि आप उतना ही अपने लाइफ को भी एंजॉय करें. एक वर्क लाइफ हार्मनी होना चाहिए, एक वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस होना चाहिए. वर्क हार्ड एज पॉसिबल, नो डाउट ऑन दैट. But you should always make sure that you have some time of work for your personal life. Personal relationships are very important and that is what will count at the end. So work hard, but have in mind a good work-life balance as well. Give your personal life same priority as your work. Do not always work, but when you are working, focus on your work. That's it. And when you are not working, enjoy your personal life. You deserve it. ये 7 advices मैं अपने आप को दूंगा, मैं सबको दूंगा, और ये हमेशा, not even at the start of software engineering, ये 7 advices are very important at every phase of a software engineer, no matter what. आपको कुछ अच्छा अचीव करने से सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपका माइंड आपको रोकता है, आपका दिमाग आपको रोकता है. पोटेंशियल सब में है, बस आपको बिलीव करना पड़ेगा खुद पे to achieve the impossible, because nothing is impossible. I really hope that you like this video. These were invaluable pieces of advice that I have implemented in my approach, as well as I want everybody else to implement it, because this is really very good advice that I can give any software engineer or any college student that is out there who wants to be a software engineer. Definitely it will help you grow. If you like the content, then do like this video, share it among your friends, and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Do comment down below any kind of video that you want me to make. This is Soumyajit bidding goodbye. Last Vidanya.